Hi everybody, I am gonna show you, are you guys ready for this? A pumpkin pie blizzard. What? Yes, in the manual food processor. So if you are a Pampered Chef freak, you probably already have the Pampered Chef food processor, so you need to try this out, okay? So I had a really busy day, and then I came home and I made dinner. We had that chicken pot pie, so good, chowder. I had to make it in my stir fry pan because all of my other pans are in my car. I'm gonna lock my car right now just in case somebody decides to come over and take everything. So hold on one second. Okay, it locked. Okay, so what I have here, are you guys ready for this? Yes. So this idea actually came from when I worked at the law firm. My colleague and I, she was from Boston and she had a friend that still lived there. And they, she said she used to get these things called pumpkincrete delivered from like her ex-boyfriend or something. I don't know. Long story short, something called pumpkincrete. Yes. So pumpkincrete, if you Google it, I'm sure you can find it. But pumpkincrete is a pumpkin pie and custard all mixed together. And I was looking at this huge pumpkin pie that I still have. Can we be honest? Like, it needs to go in the trash. But not before I make a blizzard. I popped my whole thing of ice cream in the microwave for just 20 seconds so it can be scooped perfectly. And I have my manual food processor right here. Are you guys so excited? You guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do, you can do this with anything you want, okay? You don't have to use pumpkin pie. You can use Oreos, brownies, cookies, leftover Halloween candy, throw it in your manual food processor, and then add 3 scoops of ice cream, and I'm gonna show you what you get. Happy Saturday! Okay, here we go. All right, I'm gonna take this. I need to throw this pumpkin pie out. I mean, it's still good. I don't see any mold. I probably shouldn't have said that out loud. Okay, so this pumpkin pie is ginormous because my parents only know how to shop at Sam's Club. I mean, let's be honest. But you guys, we are throwing the crust and all in here. It's gonna be so delicious. Oh my gosh. You could probably do apple pie. I feel like that wasn't big enough. Let's keep going. And then the rest of this is going in the trash because I can't look at it anymore because then I'm going to keep eating it. I love pumpkin pie, you guys. Guys, pumpkin pie is my weakness. How is everybody? Okay, are you ready? So we're going to take 3 scoops. I just have vanilla here. That's probably like a scoop and a half right there. So 1.5. We're going to play it by ear, okay? Hi, everyone. Has everybody finished their Christmas shopping yet? Maybe? Give me some hearts or likes if you are, thumbs up if you're Christmas shopping tonight online. Oh, that's 1. Okay. There's 1. I have to get online and order something tonight. All right, so we need to do like 3 scoops total. So that's probably about 3 scoops. Okay. Now we're gonna process this. You haven't started yet, Megan? Holy moly. I know a great place you can start. Pamperedchef.com. Hello. All right, are you ready? I love vanilla ice cream. You guys, I don't eat like this every day, so just know this is like a little treat. It was either this or peppermint hot chocolate, because that's my other weakness. Oh, so good. Okay, are you ready? Look, so there's ice cream and a whole piece of pumpkin pie in here. So you're gonna pump it You're gonna pump it. We're gonna probably have to scrape down the edges because the ice cream's on top and the pumpkin pie's on the bottom. So we gotta get it all in there. So scrape down the edges and then keep going. It looks so amazing, you guys. Now you can't do this with a, let's just try it. Oh my God, so good. You cannot do this with a regular food processor, okay? It's gonna totally not work because you have more control when you use the manual food processor. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing all these comments. No, you guys, you gotta start shopping. It'll be here in like 3 weeks. Not to freak you out or anything. I started last weekend, honestly, and I'm just about finished. So, super excited about that. Okay, I'm almost done. I have one more scoop here that needs to get incorporated. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, there is a God. It's amazing. I just had some crust. Oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. I know a lot of you already have a manual food processor. All right, here we go. I just made pumpkin cream. My friend Julie's gonna be so excited. Okay, I don't think this is even gonna make it to a bowl. I'm literally gonna eat it right out of here. You guys, you can add graham crackers to this if you want. You can add caramel if you want. Oh, but you know what? No, it doesn't need anything. Oh my God. You guys, I don't know if you know how excited I am right now. Let's try it. Let's stir it together. Yes. You guys, it's amazing. Debbie, eat this for dinner. Oh my God, it's so good. You guys, it almost tastes like, it tastes like pumpkin mousse. It's so good. Okay, so I can't wait for all of you to try this. It's delicious. I'm so eating all that. I'm just gonna tell you right now. Thanks, Suzanne. Okay, you guys. So good. So try it out. It's amazing. I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, there's 3 ways to get your products. You could join my team, get them all in your kit. It's amazing. And this month, what a great month to join the team. You can also host your own party. I have December host packets that I can mail out to you. It has a catalog and some order forms. And when you collect $200 in orders, you can get YAAS Girl, use your leftover Halloween candy. When you collect $200 in orders, you can actually get any item in the whole catalog this month, 60% off. That's a deal. Plus you get $20 free, half price items. I can't stop thinking about this right here. Or you can always go to my website, go to the outlet, shop away, and when you spend $75 or more, you're gonna get a free gift. You guys, that crust in there is so delicious. I'm gonna go now and finish this. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great Saturday. Bye.